Today I'm taking a look at the blower kit. So we got our instructions. You can see on here we got a couple of different models. Ours is the 12-inch. So we got a blade diameter of 280 millimeters. It's 120 volts. That can run on 50 or 60 hertz. That can run at 62 meters cubed per minute. 350 static pressure, 500 to 550 watts, and 2900 to 3300 revolutions per minute. So here is our fan. Okay, so we got a bunch of blades on that guy. That is fully sealed all the way around. It does give us the dimensions right there. That is 300 millimeter. Also tells us 120 volts, 500 watts, 2900 RPM, and it tells us the direction that is going to be flowing, as well as the rotation of the blades. Got a decently thick cord on there. That is a grounded plug. And on the other side, we have got our speed adjustment. So I can hear a click. That is how we know that it is off. And then we can adjust the speed with that. And then in this bag, we have got our hose. So we can see that this is all ribbed all the way across, so we don't have to worry about that thing collapsing on us. We do also have a bunch of these D-rings, so if we want to tie this guy up to make sure it's not moving around too much, or even if we want to hang that so we don't have to be stepping over it, we have that as an option. So the connector is stuffed inside, so that will just wrap around our fan. Then we tighten that up, and that is how we push air out of our building. So let's see what we got. Okay, wow. That is definitely pushing out some air. So if you need to move a lot of air quick, that is going to be the guy that you want for that. Yeah, I don't know if you saw it or not, but that thing definitely has some good suction. I can see all the dust just shooting right into that guy. We got a little bit laying on top, so you're not going to be able to capture it all. But being able to get most of it, that could absolutely save your lungs.